So you might be in a situation where for some reason CarPlay is just not working on your iPhone. Now, there's a couple of different ways to fix this. Number one, you might just want to go ahead and just double check that your particular iPhone is plugged in or wireless CarPlay is set up. That is basically the number one main way to fix this problem. Anytime I run into this type of issue, that's basically the first thing I double check. So try unplugging and replugging in your particular device, because that right there can end up probably fixing the issues for you. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I recommend doing is trying to go through and seeing if you can, try to toggle on or off the CarPlay settings on your particular device. So you can make your way over into your settings application of your iPhone, scroll down until you find this general option settings, which is right over here. Tap on general, then go ahead and scroll down until you find this CarPlay option. So right here you have CarPlay. Go ahead and tap on there, and then you're going to see this particular thing come up. You can configure your CarPlay options in your CarPlay settings right inside of this particular page. So this is another really cool thing. It's super easy, super basic, and that's basically all you're really going to have to do there as well. Now, if that's still not working, you can also try restarting your iPhone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart it. You can also basically go through and try updating your iPhone as well. Tap on the general options right here, tap on software update, and try software updating your iPhone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it for you too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.